Hello my dear students, welcome to the math classes. So far you have learned expansion. Now we shall discuss about the other term from the expansion that. As you know about the expansion, if number of power is n, the total number of terms will be equal to n plus 1. If I am asking what will be number of terms if having the any binomial power 5, so your answer will become that 5 plus 1, that means equal to 6 terms will come that. If I am asking what will be if having the power 7, how many numbers of term will be 7 plus 1, it means the 8 terms will become that. So you can say that to find a number of powers we have to add one more that from the power that. But if I am asking about that rth terms, in between any terms you have to find that. Suppose you have to find that fifth term into 7 terms or fifth term plus 8 terms or fourth terms upon third terms. This type questions are coming that how can you find that? From the between the we have to find rth term, then how can you discuss? How can you find it? For this let's see first expansion, binomial expansion. As you know, a plus b power n. What will be expansion of this? Will be nc0, then a power n, then b power 0. That means that b power 0 plus nc1 a power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a power n minus 2 into b square plus nc3 a power n minus 3 into b cube plus dot at last ncn a power n minus n, that is 0, and here will be b power n at last. Yeah, how many total terms will be here? That will be n plus 1 terms. And if I am asking that find n plus 1 terms, which term will be? So this term will be n plus 1 terms. These terms will be n plus 1 terms. Okay. But if I am asking that find from the between, तो पूरा लिखना पड़ा आपको. You written the full. But if I am asking that find that direct without the writing in from the between third term, seventh term, 10 terms, so it will be difficult. So we shall discuss about that kind of term to find that other terms from the between of the expansion. Now see, if we'll go through this expansion, this is the first term, this is the second terms, this is the third terms, this is the fourth term. Let me remove, I will write after. This is the first term, this is the second terms, third terms, and this is the fourth terms. Now see that, observe here. If we check अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट टर्म में हमने क्या पाया 0 NCR होता है ना, R यहाँ पर 0 मिला. सेकंड टर्म में R कितना मिला 1 मिला. थर्ड टर्म में R is 2 here. In fourth term R is the 3. It means that we found that कि यदि हमें चौथा टर्म निकालना है तो r को एक कम लिखना पड़ेगा. इट मीन दैट वी हैव टू राइट दैट 3 + 1. अगर हम चौथा फोर्थ टर्म पूछ रहे हैं तो हियर फोर्थ टर्म के लिए r कितना आया 3, एक कम आया है. तो 4 को हम इस तरह से सेट कर सकते हैं 3 + 1. ये आपको क्या बताएगा, r बताएगा. थर्ड टर्म के लिए r एक कम है, 3 - 1 दैट इज 2, एक कम है. तो हियर वी कैन अरेंज 3 + 1. इसी तरह से यदि ये r है, r + 1, सो वी कैन डेवलप द फार्मूला बाय यूजिंग दिस NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3 etc. दैट NCr. तो इसके लिए फॉर्मूला क्या होगा, TR + 1 टर्म इज इक्वल टू NCr. यदि आपसे फिफ्थ टर्म पूछ रहा है तो फिफ्थ को लिखेंगे 4 + 1, तो 4 हो जाएगा r. तो NCr देन a पावर n - 1, n - 2, n - 3. अगर हम फोर्थ टर्म पूछ रहे हैं तो n - r में देखा जाए तो यहाँ एक कम है, तो डेट विल राइट n - r. ओके. इन लास्ट व्हाट विल बी दैट b पावर r. So this is the formula to find that rth term from the expansion, from the any binomial expansion. इस फॉर्मूले को हम यूज करके हम बीच से कोई भी टर्म हम निकाल सकते हैं. लेट टेक वन एग्जाम्पल टू अंडरस्टैंड मोर अबाउट दिस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हियर सो this is the general terms. This formula is called the general terms that. So if you go through the this expansion, if you observe the pattern of this expansion, you will find that this will come that this term we can say that 3 + 1 term. Okay, sorry, 2 + 1 term. This is the 2 + 1 term. This if you check that it will become 3 + 1 term. So we can say that to find the r + 1 terms is equal to find the r + 1th term will be equal to NCr, a power n - r, b power r. This is called the general terms. General terms there. Here this was the for a + b power n expansion, but if it is asking for negative, given that here will be equal to find that here t r + 1 term that will be equal to -1 power n, then NCr, a power n - r into b power r. We have to use this thing that -1 power n, other is the same, बाकी सब same है. So this was that to find the r term for this kind of the expansion a + b power n and a - b power n. That hope the concept is clear that. Okay. Now here how can you find that? Okay, first let me take that one example on this base, that then I will take other thing. That let me take one example for this. Then now see, this is example to make the clear of the formula. Here example having the find the 7th terms in the expansion 2x³ - 3/2x power 10 given that. Yeah, so 7th term asking that. So to find the 7 terms, two way, either you expand that, it will take the time that, otherwise apply the formula direct that. So what formula I told that to find the 7th terms, T7, that means that T6 + 1, 6 + 1 terms you have to find that. मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं? 7 टर्म के लिए आप क्या करेंगे, T6 + 1 terms you have to find. So R what will be here? 6. That is equal to what formula? First let me write the formula. पहले हमको formula लिखने दीजिए. T is equal to here TR plus 1 term equal to NCR A power n minus R into B power R. This is the formula. On this formula we have to find at 7th term. So 7th term means 6 plus 1th term, that will be equal to n, that is 10 here having that. So can write that 10C6. Okay, this is the R. 10C6 A power, A means here what is 2x cube. A means 2x cube whole power n minus R. So n how much? Here that 10 having that, and R what taken that 6. So 10 minus 6 into B part having that 3 power 2x whole power what? Here R means that 6. But one thing I have told that if it is the form in the form of A power A minus B power n form, then you have to apply here minus 1 power n. This you have to write that. So here what will be? Here should be that equal to minus 1 power n. यहाँ पर minus 1 power n होना चाहिए, ठीक है. So now put all the values here, that is equal to minus 1 power 10 that. Okay, नहीं क्लियर हो रहा? minus 1 power 10 here, minus 1 power 10 equal to what? T6 plus 1 term that. Then after the arranging in the formula you have to simplify. आपको इसको सॉल्व करना है, सॉल्व करके आपका आंसर आ जाएगा, ठीक. ये तो आप कर लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. पावर minus 1 power 10 that is the positive because even number, ये खत्म हो जाएगा. 10C6 आप कर सकते हैं, no doubt in this. that mean that 10 factorial upon 6 factorial and 10 minus 6 that is the 4 factorial. Okay, here 2 power 10 minus 6 that is 4. So 2 power will be how much? 4. and 10 minus 6 4 हो रहा ना, 4 इसके लिए भी होगा. So x पावर कितना हो जाएगा? 12 हो जाएगा. 4 3 जा 12 into 3 power 6 upon 2 power 6 into x power 6. Now you are in class 11th, you know the basic thing to solve the method. So now you have to simplify by using the your method, that factorial method. You can break down and find out the result. This 6 and 12 will be minus 12 minus 6, that will be x power 6 here. That this way 2 power 4 2 power 6 4 इधर माइनस हो जाएगा, 2 power 2 केवल बचेगा. इस तरह से आप छोटे छोटे फॉर्म में करके आप सिंप्लीफाई इसको कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो हम आपके लिए छोड़ दे रहे हैं. दिस इज द 10 into 10 factorial means 10 10 minus n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3. So here what will be 10 into here 9, here what is the 8 7 6 factorial पर छोड़ दीजिए क्योंकि 6 factorial नीचे है. 6 factorial into 4 factorial means 4 3 2 4 3 जा 12 2 जा 24. Can write that 24 into this what is the 2 power 4 ऑलरेडी हमने कहा ये खत्म हो गया. So here what will be 6 होगा into 3 power 6 होगा अपॉन 2 पावर क्या होगा 2 होगा. इसको रिड्यूस करिएगा, आप कट जाएगा. दिस इज द कैंसिल दैट, आप आगे कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑन द बेस ऑफ टू फाइंड व्हाट इज द nth or term from the expansion binomial expansion that. Okay, now if asking that rth term from the last पूछ रहा what will be rth term. So you can apply one formula to find that rth term from the last or from the beginning. that देखिए, if asking that find the rth term from the last, अब अंत से पूछता है, उसके लिए आप फॉर्मूला इसको लिख लीजिए जो है rth term from the end हैज n plus 1 minus r. फॉर्मूला होगा n plus 1 minus r होगा जो है n plus 1 minus r. ये होगा फॉर्मूला आपका जो है rth term from the end से अगर पूछा जा रहा है rth term, so you can apply n plus 1 minus r. और या तो इसी को लिख सकते हैं n माइनस आर प्लस 2, ये होगा दिस इज फ्रॉम द एंड, फ्रॉम द एंड, एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग। ये आप जो है बिगिनिंग से कर सकते हो, ठीक है। तो यदि आपको डिमांड कर रहा है कि फाइंड एट आर टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड, तो आप चाहे एंड से निकाल लीजिए या ये फॉर्मूला लगा करके जिसे प्रोसेस आप निकाले हैं बिगिनिंग से आप निकाल लीजिए, ठीक है। दिस इज द टू फार्मूला गिवन फ्रॉम द एंड और फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, ठीक है। उसी क्वेश्चन का अगर फ्रॉम द एंड पूछ रहा है तो हम बिगिनिंग से भी निकाल सकते हैं। जैसे सपोज दैट हमने कर दिया यहाँ A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 है, तमाम है जो है, ठीक है। अब हमने कर दिया फ्रॉम एंड थर्ड, ये थर्ड कर दिया जो है, तो फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग कितना होगा 1 2 3 4 5, बिगिनिंग से ये क्या हो जाएगा 5वां हो जाएगा। तो चाहे बिगिनिंग से आप फिफ्थ निकाल लीजिए टर्म और फ्रॉम द एंड थर्ड टर्म निकाल लीजिए, ठीक है। दोनों एक ही बात है, सेम थिंग दैट, नो डाउट इन दिस दैट। सो फ्रॉम द एंड यू हैव अप्लाई दिस फार्मूला एंड फ्रॉम द beginning you have to apply this formula n minus r plus 2. Okay, I hope that concept is clear. So this was the two formula to find the beginning and from the end, and also I had taught you about the rth term to find the rth term from the expansion. So student, on the basis of this, some more questions you have to take that for the practice and then you can understand that. So today this much is enough for today class that. So from next day some more questions I will give in next video from the exercise for different question, that will be more clear to understand. Okay, thanks for today.